You know.
Welcome football and championship manager fans.
Don't forget to join our Discord community.
Share your legendary saves.
Find friends for multiplayer games.
Or jump into the development section and help keep the game alive.
Let's grow the community together.
You know how to play. Welcome back, Championship Manager fans. The first version of the editor is complete and ready to download.
The GitHub link is in the pinned comment below.
Once you click the GitHub link, you'll land on this page where you can read more details. To download, just click Code, then Download Zip, and extract it anywhere you like.
Quick notes on volume to update. Inside the volume to update folder, the files inside the DataDB folder are only for backup purposes. The game only reads these database DAT files in the main directory. Copy the database from the update folder you want to play with and overwrite the files in the DataDB directory. Another note about the match events: replace match events file, data match events events, to prevent unreadable corrupted characters from appearing during the match. The MCM editor does not work with volume to update files. I've noticed that there is a trick to make it work again.
A simple fix. Move the club's logos folder out temporarily, restart the game, and run the MCM editor.
That should solve it.
It appears that loading too many items into the game is affecting MCM editor's functionality.
The biggest difference between Save Game Editor and MCM Editor is that Save Game Editor loads and updates game save files, and the game doesn't need to be running. When you open the Save Game Editor, you will be greeted with a load button, a background image change button, and an interface language change button.
You can also quickly access my YouTube channel with this button.
If the save game file is corrupted, the editor will display this error message. If you successfully load the save game file and still receive this error during editing, please share it in the YouTube comments so we can try to fix it. Save game files are located in the user data Games folder. The loading time will be longer depending on the file size. When the saved game file is successfully loaded, the file name, game date, and manager name information will be displayed.
And also editing buttons, nations, clubs, People and update file.
In the Nations section, you can grant EU freedom of movement to selected countries. Some European leagues have restrictions and work permit rules for players from non-EU countries. To bypass these restrictions, you can approve EU freedom for specific countries. Don't forget to update the save file.
The Update File button creates an updated version of the file on the desktop, including the newly added changes.
To search for clubs, you can type the first letters of long club names or select from the list. You can edit, transfer budget, sponsorship, balance, stadium and training facilities, and even kit colors. To confirm or cancel the changes you've made, use the button with the double check symbol. Main kit colors also affect the club header colors in-game.
Player full name listed as first name, second name and common name.
To search players, you need to type first letters of any names.
When you hover the mouse cursor over a player's name, their full name, contracted club, and player ID number are displayed. The Profile section allows for the editing of technical, mental, and physical attributes. The Hidden Profiles section allows you to edit hidden attributes and player position values.
The Profile Details section allows you to edit players' hidden personal attributes, fitness, ability, reputation, injuries, and bans. If a player is exhausted, check their jadedness.
If it's over 500, the game will warn you to rest them. You can reset this value to 0 or even a negative value to keep them fresh. Changing the ability values can also affect player attributes.
You can heal players' injuries and lift card penalties.
The Contract Details section allows you to modify contract details or change the player's club in their contract, moving them to a new club. Players with long-term contracts lose their contract protection after 3 or 5 years. When the contract start date is changed, the player's contract is protected again.
You can also add a second nationality here to solve work permit issues.
Second nationality approved button is different.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support this project. Enjoy the game.